Well, welcome back. Today we're looking at the differences between some 12 volt and some 24 volt configurations of 2.56 kilowatt hour batteries. And we're trying to power a 1 ton heat pump here and see how long this thing will run off the battery once the sun goes down. And if you've got a solar generator or power station of any kind, you'll see that when you connect it to any type of inductive load, like a compressor based heat pump or heating element, that you're not going to get anywhere near the number of watt hours that are listed for that power station or solar generator. And the reason why is those solar generators and power stations, uh, they have an internal battery management system, or BMS, which basically will disconnect the battery from the rest of the system when you're drawing too much current. And anytime you turn on a compressor or any other type of inductive load, it's going to take a lot more energy at the beginning to energize the magnetic field that might be associated with that inductor. And so while you may have a uh, refrigerator or air conditioning system that can run with 700 or 800 watts of continuous power, the amount of energy that's required when that compressor kicks on may be closer to 4,000 watts of power. And so what happens is as your battery drains, the voltage goes down on that battery. And so the same amount of power requirement to energize that motor or heating element pulls more current from that battery over time as the voltage drops on it. And so this is why there may be an advantage in using a higher voltage battery or higher voltage configuration, is because it's inherently going to use less current in exchange for a higher voltage to get to the same power. So power is voltage times current. If you have a 24 volt, 100 amp hour battery, that would be the equivalent in watt hours to a 200 amp hour 12 volt battery. But you have to take into account that as that battery starts dropping in voltage, the load is going to pull more current to get the power that it needs to energize that equipment.